Light, camera, action. Hi guys, welcome back to Sendy's Cooking. So today I'm gonna show you one of my favorites. I think is the best, one of the best street food in Haiti. It's super easy to make, very few ingredients, and my last memory of having this, I was probably around 10 years old or 11, or probably 9. I remember I was sick and my mom took me to the hospital. On the way back home, she asked me what did I want to eat, and I wanted to eat this egg sandwich. It's absolutely amazing. You need a very few ingredients for it. It doesn't take a long time, and it's like this, and you get it done. And let me tell you something. Usually the merchant sitting out there, you know, by the dirt, the trash, it's something about the dust, the dirt, that gives this thing so much flavor. I don't know, but I'm gonna show you today how to make it without all the dust and everything, but it's still gonna taste just as good. For this recipe, you will need the Laughing Cow cheese or mayonnaise. I remember when I had mine, it was with the mayonnaise, but you could also use the Laughing Cow cheese, but I'm gonna use both. You will need salt, ketchup, absolutely necessary. I know I have tomatoes and ketchup, but you need ketchup, it's necessary. Hot sauce, if you're a grown man or woman, of course, use hot sauce. If you're spicy like me, hot sauce, of course. And chicken bouillon, you could use Knorr or you could use Maggi. You absolutely need it. I mean, you could skip it if you want, but I highly suggest you use it. And then you will need bread. Fresh bread is better. Purple onion, a little bit of lime juice because I don't want the egg to have that rick taste and smell. So, and then tomatoes. Last but not least, watercress. You will need watercress. You can use lettuce if you're a child, you know, but if you're a grown man or woman, eat watercress. The flavors of the watercress is that's where the secret is, honestly. The little bitterness the watercress have, because the flavors of watercress is, it's I don't even know how to explain it, right? So use watercress, but if you're, you know, I guess if you're not grown yet, I guess you could use lettuce, but or just grow up and try watercress. So let me show you how to make it. So set the egg to the side right here, and you will need a bowl, and we're gonna start with the egg. Crack your egg in your bowl. I'm gonna do 3 at a time, and you will need salt. So I have 3 eggs. So obviously you're going to just go with the seasoning. I told you what you need. You go with your own measurement. If you like a lot of salt, use the amount that you feel that you need, but I don't need a lot, so I just need a little bit of salt to taste, some chicken bouillon, so adjust it. I'm not really measuring it, so if I was to measure it, honestly, for this amount of egg, I would put half a teaspoon, or a little bit less. And then for this, I have here half of a tablespoon. Half a tablespoon. All right, I can't even speak right now. And then you need your whisk, and you go ahead and whisk it, making a mess. Don't make a mess like me. Oh, and for oil, I am using vegetable oil to fry it. You can use olive oil, but I highly suggest you use vegetable oil. I think it's better because you're frying it, you know what I mean? And olive oil is not known for frying. So give it a nice whisk, and then we're gonna go ahead and fry it. Make sure your oil is very, very hot. You will see, I will show you. And a little bit of that lime juice, because we don't want that flavor, that taste it has. You know what, actually, we're gonna do it all together, all at once. We don't have to, I don't wanna do all that work. That's crazy. We'll do all at once, okay? So I'm making this for my husband. That's not my husband yet. I'm just kidding. I'm making this for you guys, right? For you guys. So now let's go ahead and fry. I'm gonna do 2 different batches. Once you get that beautiful color, go ahead and remove it from the oil. Put it in a plate. And then fry the remaining. This is very addicting. It's not something I would advise to eat very often. You know, it's once in a while kind of treat, but it tastes so good it will make you want to eat it every day. But don't eat it every day because your back will be big, and I will not be responsible for your big back. Okay, big back. So it's a treat. It's like, see it as your cheat thing. You know, like your cheat day. If you're cheating that day, you could make that, because you know you're frying the egg and it's like lots of oil and not too healthy. So don't eat it every day. And then now we're gonna go ahead and form our sandwiches. This is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and make the sandwiches. Get a light fluffy bread that doesn't have so much fat in there, you know. One side Laughing Cow cheese and the other side mayonnaise. Mayo. Let me taste it to see if it tastes good. Yeah, it's good. Almost salty, but not quite. Ketchup. Onion. Tomatoes. Watercress. That's for the person who doesn't like hot stuff. So this is it, you guys. You see it? We're just gonna wrap it up. Now let me make the other ones. Hot sauce. I want to thank you for being here and watching my videos. If you want to see more, be sure to turn on the post notification bell button so that way you never miss anything. Whenever I post a new upload, YouTube will give an alert, so be sure to hit that bell button. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.